Is your skincare routine overloaded? Let's simplify with the Minimalist Cleanser Use, your one-stop solution for clean, healthy skin. This cleanser boasts a powerful yet gentle formula: salicylic acid and law work to exfoliate and unclog pores, while olive leaf extract soothes and hydrates. Whether you're battling oily skin and breakouts or struggling with dryness and sensitivity, the Minimalist Cleanser is designed to balance and clarify without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Now, let's talk technique. First, wet your face with lukewarm water. Squeeze out a dime-sized amount of cleanser onto your fingertips. A little goes a long way. Gently massage the cleanser onto your face in circular motions for about 3,060 seconds, paying attention to areas prone to oiliness or congestion. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of the cleanser are gone. Pat your face dry with a soft, clean towel. Avoid rubbing, as this can irritate the skin. Follow up with your favorite serum and moisturizer to complete your minimalist skincare routine. Use the Minimalist Cleanser twice daily for optimal results. Say hello to clean, balanced, and simplified skin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips.